Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel mga kachika! So ito na guys ang latest update sa ating showbiz chika. Yan si Pressman, kaya palang bait sa fans dahil alam niya, ramdam niya kung paano maging tagahanga dahil isa rin siyang fan. Meet big and famous stars in Hollywood, chilling in Vegas right now. Yan si Pressman, this is why she treats her fans with kindness and humility because she's a fangirl herself too. Ang bait nga niya sa mga fans, actually sa lahat ng tao, pati sa mga hayop, mahal niya, diba? Nakita ko na siya in person, grabe sobrang bait, ika pa ng isang netizen. At mas hahangan mo siya in person. Seriously guys, what is happening? They are all so nice, we just bump into Offset. I love you guys, please say hi to I am Cardiff for me and hi to Culture, hi ha. Ganito naman ang naging caption niya sa isa niyang IG post, kung saan nga nakabangga niya at na-meet ang isang famous na rapper at online gaming boss. Kung gaano siya kasaya at kahanga sa kanyang mga iniidolo, and as young woman, she's living her life to the fullest, enjoying her youth and everything she has worked hard for. Should be an envy to people who values the opinion of others rather than their own authenticity. Brave girl, indeed. Go, go, go. Yes, yan. Dito lang kami ng mga fans mo. Nagmamahal sa'yo. Support ka namin. Magsaya ka lang dyan. At ingat lagi. Sabi naman ng isa pang fan. Narito ang kanyang mga picture at larawan sa Los Angeles kung saan naroon siya ngayon at mga komento ng ating mga netizen at ating tunghayan. Hot, solid screw. Lucky them, you are nicer and you are Yasi Pressman. Hello, maybe if they see you how good you dance, matatameme mga yan sa'yo. Real talk, you're so humble. Bro, nakakadami ka na, muy ka na, please lang, ha ha ha. Langan na na ba sa gwapa? Yasi, your dancing talent is pang international level, hindi lang pang Pinas. So level ka nila, mag-audition ka na dyan, ha ha ha. Wow! Miss you na mahal sobra. In the hit OTW Las Vegas, wow. Astig lang, hot hot. Emoji who want to play CSGO. Sobrang enjoy nyo, nakakatawa, nagwala na magsisi. Oh my god, nako mo yung IGs ni Isa. For watching guys, yan po ang ating latest update sa ating Chika News for today. Thank you for watching. See you again for my next vlog. Mwah. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again.